Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to join my live stream. It's me, your host, Crypto Moon. How are you all? I hope you all are well and good. I am back with a new interesting project for you. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. आज आपके लिए एक प्रोजेक्ट लेके आई हूँ, तो अगर अभी तक आपने मुझे फॉलो की नहीं किया तो मुझे जल्दी से फॉलो कर लें ताकि हम अपना इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कस कर सकें. सो स्टे कनेक्टेड विद मी. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड फॉलो माय अकाउंट. हम अपना आज का टॉपिक डिस्कस करने से पहले थोड़ा वेट करते हैं ताकि हमारे मेंबर्स हमें ज्वाइन कर लें. उसके बाद हम अपना आज का टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे. सो स्टे कनेक्टेड विद मी. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Thank you so much, great users, for your joining and welcome to my stream. Thanks to all. Okay, so now let's get stream started. Today our topic and we discuss Candy Drops 95, Candy Drops, Expo, Planet P, Trade and invite friend to share 750,000 P. So 2025 10 by 03 10.53.02 UTC and the total views we have a 12395. So Candy Drops is Gate Candy airdrop platform where users complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrop. So we are excited to launch the P token airdrops event or where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share our total prize pool of 750,000. So P with a maximum individual share for 1.500 P details are as follows. So first we have the future trading pool 375.000 P maximum 750 P per person. Invite friends prize pool 375,000 P maximum 750 P per person. Airdrops calculation formula we have individual candy amount, total candies of all users or prize pool. So fourth we have future trading task airdrops calculation formula your future trading volume or total future trading volume of all users is equal price pool. So event period we have October 3 2025 12.10 is equal October 12 2025 12.00 UTC. Thank you so much Sky Follower Gate users for you joining. Okay, so now next we have the official page of Candy Drop P. So P, we are position or ourselves as user-centric discovery meeting growth for Web3. Farming it is our bridges the empower blockchain or users to all effort discover tools or align with their needs. Okay, so now next we have the two official sites. So first we have the website and next we have the Twitter. So total prize pool we have 750,000 P. Participant we have 13.264 and event and in 02D 2339 or 50 countdown. So event timeline we have registration open 2025 10 by 03 17.10.00. Second we have event ended 2025 10.12 17.00000 or airdrop we have 2025 10.30 17.0000. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So today is my project, so stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So next we have the prize pool. Share rewarded future trading to share 3750 P. Or next we have login and participate. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. Thank you so much once again, Gate users. Thanks to all and welcome to my stream. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in my comment section. Thanks to all for your joining and appreciation. Okay, so next we have 750 individual cap P or heat share. So login and participate, complete the following task 2025 or 10.03 17.10.00 2025 10 by 12 17.0000. So P future tasking task trading task we have trade 200 USDT in P future to share the prize pool based on your trading or volume. So win up to 750p, not participated. So share reward we have invite new friends, share 75,000p, individual cap 750p. So login and participate, complete the following task: 2025 10.03 17.10.002 2025 10.12 17.0000. So newcomer invitation task we have: for every friend you invite who are supporting trading volume or P researches over 100 USDT, you will receive one candy with the maximum of 10 times. So one candy is equal 750p. Win up to 750p, not participated. Thank you so much, gate users or Sky 166 for your joining and welcome to my stream. तो ये हमने कैंडी ड्रॉप पी को ऑफिशियल पेज को डिस्कस किया. So now next we have the official website of POP. So human-centric Web3 social identity ecosystem. So at POP, we creating a Web3 social identity platform celebrated for your unique self. Here everyone can discover their digital identity or unlock the value inherent in your individuality. The heart of your social network is you, such as every unique or individual. Thank you so much, Crypto Raps, for your joining and welcome to my stream. How are you, dear? I'm good, dear. Alhamdulillah. How about you? So next we have the launch tab and the partners. So POP exploration or digital identities, 100 plus partners or 0 USDT rewarded have been handed or out. So the website Super Airdrops account, embracing the unique charm of Web3 social networking with our social account or bullet on their ERC 6551 protocol or honestering decentralizing digital or identities. Thank you so much, Crypto Rex, for your appreciation. Good stream, really captivates the audience. Thank you so much, dear, means a lot. Welcome to all. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. तो हम अपना आज का प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. आई होप आज का टॉपिक आप सबके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा. तो स्टे कनेक्टेड विद मी. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड फॉलो माय अकाउंट. So now back to the topic and we discuss the official website of POP. Thanks to all. Okay, so now the Web3 Super Airdrops account we have. This accurations to the design of the differentiate accuration of Web3 view mode. So arbitrary NFT contract we have holding airability NFT EQA users or any trading a call. So swap, spend or receive etc a new CA compliance or with the ERC 6551. So digital identity we have bullet your Web3 social identity which reach OAT, securing on time effort on ongoing ecosystem or rewarded. So ये हमारे पास digital identify है. So get your social identity, ongoing a super airdrops event or ST collector on 500 or stardust or points. So next we have the explore. Successfully connect to POP. Mint now. OAT on-chain achievement or token. So all poppers, KOL, OG, socialify, defy, gamify और personality. तो ये सारे इसके सोशल आइडेंटिटी है जो कि हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट में. Thanks to all for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. Okay, so digital identify को हमने डिस्कस किया है. Bullet your Web3 social identity with rich QAT, securing a one-time for item for ongoing ecosystem or rewarded. So next we have the view mode. So referral reward, invite friends to create a POP account and enjoy 20% referral bonuses. The start of all great things. So view more Web3 quest we have, collaborating with hundreds of projects we offer ecological reward to every pop digital identity or holders. Explore we have connect like minded explorer through pop social or identity. Thank you so much to all of you for you joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. Thank you so much. Ludhanvu for you joining and welcome to my streams. Thanks to all. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, so next we have the roadmap. Question number 2, 2024 Social Summer. Host a large-scale airdrop event with 100 plus partners, or during the campaigns we launched the ERC 6551 based profile to help users or building on-chain social profits and relationship. So 2024 question 3, DApp 3.0 we have. So fast established on-chain users identities with QAT, open attentional token resources to airdrops method, allowing every user to enjoy passive income from the identities. 2024 question 4 we have advanced profile, advanced QAT, our profile valuations or boundary requirements for project. So now next we have the news. Pop social means Pop and ST. What as TBA or QAT, AMR और recap. Thank you so much. तो ये हमने ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट को डिस्कस किया. So now we discuss get your social identity on-chain achievements token reshape or unique social identity. So ST collector on 500 status point or explorer we have successfully connected to POP. So now MBTI fragments of character on the chain. तो हम थोड़ा पार्टनर्स को भी डिस्कस करते हैं. अनलॉकिंग Web3 MBTI. First time, speak out, fall in love. So next we have ST collective. Thanks to all for you joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. Thanks to all. तो ये हमने ऑफिशियल पेज को डिस्कस किया. ह्यूमन सेंसिटिविटी, डिजिटल आइडेंटिटी. Explore we have successfully connected to POP. MBTI engage your character on the chain. Second we have ST collector on 500 standards point. Mint now explore we have successfully connected to POP. Witness limited or witness to QAT or birds of POP pioneer. Early POPs participants or communicative QAT. DeFi with strategy we have participant in dark hours or tribulous star season. Pope Fanatics, you have the Pope Fanatics or lucky gift. Lucky might be to the delayed, but it won't miss out EVM. Take on total EVM token value 10.U. Meme token we have total meme cost value 10 or U. Thank you so much CryptoEye for your joining. So on-chain boss we have on-chain transaction counts or research or Lendis superstar we have having 10 followers on Lens or 2 super channel master we have TG channels has 500 members or X superstar have 100,000 followers on X और X premium characters we have tweets on X receive. तो ये सारे हमारे डिजिटल पार्टनर्स हैं. मीम्स फैंटास्टिक, सोशल फैनेस्टिक, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, बॉन्ड्री हंटर और पॉप पोस्ट सीकर और पॉप एथ्यूरिएट. तो ये हमने सारे सोशल आइडेंटिटी को डिस्कस किया. तो अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं the web super airdrops or account. Thank you so much CryptoEye for you joining. How are you? I'm good dear. How about you? And welcome to my stream. Thank you so much Crypto Butterfly for you joining. So 400 USDT popularity requirements or invite and unlock extra rewarded. So TGE info or boundary hunter and every requirements update POP will notify you as soon as possible. Thanks to all. तो हमने ये ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट को डिस्कस किया पोप की. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव द डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑफ पोप पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट्स एआई एंड सोशल प्लगिंग विद इन्फ्लुएंस टू अर्न प्लेटफॉर्म. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly. Good wishes for your project. Thank you so much, dear. Means a lot. Thank you so much, Biba, and welcome to my stream. Okay, so now we discuss the POP public documents. So POP Web3 Lab focus on AI-powered Web3 social alternative connecting millions of users and exploring their social value by providing applications for difference of social or scenarios. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So product highlights we have Pop Social Summer supported by 200 plus project and 300 plus global goals. Our ongoing social summer campaigns is a large scale proportional every win result for all parties. So while onboarding on our unique TBA token bound account participated users also have the opportunity to share $20 million worth of rewarded by completing tasks and quest assigned by the sponsor. Thank you so much, Crypto Eye, for your appreciation. God bless you and your family. Your stream full of energy. Keep it up. Good, dear friend. You are knowledgeable streamer. Thank you so much, dear Crypto Eye. Means a lot. May Allah bless you, you and your family. Okay, so now next we have AI and social plugin influence to earn platform. So all clues that lead to truth will be rewarded. The connected post to the by users on platforms like Twitter, YouTube, Medium, and Facebook. If captured and analyzing by AI can generate income which is passive and claimable anytime the plugin connects the scenarios of social interaction and connect distribution. Users are able to see related content and chat with other users as soon as they open the project website. Thank you so much, Crypto. I have a good day, dear. You too. Thank you so much for your joining or Crypto Butterfly. Thanks to all for your joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Thanks to all for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. Thank you so much once again to all of you. तो अब हम इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट के इनको डिस्कस करते हैं. न्यूज, इकोनॉमिक्स, पॉप, सोशल मीम्स. सो नाउ वी डिस्कस द न्यूज. X Twitter, okay. Token economy. Thank you so much, Ridhanu, for your joining and welcome to my stream. Thank you so much, great user. Thanks to all. So first time started Speak Out. Divided 500 ST, unlock minute to join events and win 500 ST. Thank you so much, Kaya07, and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. तो हम ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. ऑल इन वन एयर ड्रॉप प्लेटफॉर्म्स, ओवर 500 प्रोजेक्ट और कंटिन्यूअस एयर ड्रॉपिंग. Estimate your airdrops or value. So estimate your airdrops or value. Phase 2 airdrop night. Phase 2 airdrop night, check-in plus 20 ST. Bob Tuska complete one requirements plus 200 ST verify. Invite friend to create one pop profile plus 500 ST or minute one Q80 plus 200 or ST. So requirements we have LV3 Fantastic upgrade plus 4 USDT or Beryl we have 10 by 10 is equal to 1,000 USDT. So navigation we have pop continue to fuel super airdrops, accounts join the event or below to earn reward. Thank you so much Crypto Butterfly for your kind words and appreciation. So pop ecosystem we have join pop community, start unique journey, receive ST insensitive. Community we have Top the Moon, who is my Keramic one or community PopX, Pop group, connect OKX wallet to calm your reward, Pop channel, but $ST or started for or Pop medium we have, launch mini app, Pop QAT, OAT we discuss. Thanks to all for your joining. Telegram group. So now we have the applications communities about and contact us. So applications we have website, pop profile or pop QAT, to the moon, AI box community we have X Twitter, Telegram group, Telegram channel or medium. About we have a brand assessed or pop public documents or contact us we have cooperation or contact email. So now we discuss pop public documents. Thanks to all for you joining. Stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Thank you so much, Gate users, for your joining and welcome to my stream. Thanks to all. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So now we have the official POP public documents. We discuss POP. So Web3 Lab focused on AI-powered Web3 social narrative, connecting millions of users and exploring their social values by providing applications for different social or scenarios. So product highlights we have POP Social Summit, supported by 200 plus project and 300 plus global goals. Our ongoing social summit campaigns is a large-scale promotional event with win-in a result of all parties. So while obtaining our own unique TBA token bound account, participated users also have the opportunity to share $20 million worth of rewarded by completing tasks or quest assigned by the sponsor. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your comment. Good work. So on average can bring 1500 by 3000 users legit users who paid to own a TBA from us with unique IP addresses and 10K plus on-chain interaction to a gold on in a above sponsor during a 7 days or mini campaign. So next we have AI and social plugin to earn platforms. So all clues to the lead to the truth will be rewarded, or that the content posted by users on platforms like Twitter, YouTube, Medium, and Facebook. So if the content posted by users on platforms like Twitter, YouTube, Medium, and Facebook, if captured and analyzing by POP, AI can generate income, which is the passive and claimable anything the plugin connected, the scenarios of social interaction and connect distribution. Users are able to see related or content and chat with others user as soon as they open the project website. Any project can be connected with our IM and AI through the plugin without the need of development. So third, we have the all-in-one platform for social identities. So enable every entity on non-entity users community, AI agent, etc. to have smart contracts, accounts, and identities. Establishing truth or through TBA token bound account and QAT on-chain achievements or token liking users communities and AI, as well as vice versa, so that all can obtain what they require. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Thank you so much, Crypto Butterfly, for your comment. Good work. Thank you so much. Means a lot. So operation result. The AI in one platform to see related content or any chat with other users as soon as they open to the project website. Any project can be connected with our IM and AI through to the plugin without the need of developments for Planet 2.0. So the all-in-one platform of social identities in enable every entity to or non-entity users community AI agent etc to have smart contracts accounts and identities, establish trust or through TBA token bound account and QAT on-chain achievement or token linking users communities and AI as well as vice versa to that and call off-chain what they require. So operation result we have till early May 2024, we have on board 620k registered users, 897 community group and 8889k connects which providers strong supporters for our new journey. Thank you so much Blue Verse for your joining and welcome to my stream. Thanks to all. So tokenomics distribution we have first 15% team, 15% private investment, 6 months locking period after TGE, then unlocking among a 18 months period or 1 by 18 per month. Second we have 5% foundation and ECO growth code around ETC. 3% we have 5% airdrop or 2.5% in from POP pet before TGE, 25% in from of POP token after TGE. Fourth we have 60% minute by users after TGE. So POP token we have utility, the universe parameter of payment solution with the POP social ecosystem. All official interactions required users to pay with POP token and all official earning will be in POP after TGE. Thank you so much Game Over for your joining and welcome to my stream. So network support all EVM compatible chain identity on ETH will power Devil bridging for different scenarios. So total supply we have or initially calculating supply 100,000 only from unlocking airdrops and pools for the first 6 months. So Popet Pop airdrop token we have. So definition, the airdrop token that rewarded early POP users before TGE networks maintains BSC or OPBNB. Claimed amount of POP pairs 24.648.183 as of 4 by 23 by 2024, nearly 10% of total POP supply. For exciting holders count, we have 31828 as of 4 by 23 by 2024. Thank you so much, Sam or Virtual Nature. Thank you so much, Gate users. Thanks to all. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my accounts. If you have any question related to today's stream or topic, so please feel free to ask in my comment section. So utility, the universal payment solution within a POP social ecosystem or official interactions required users to pay the POP token and all official earning will be in a POP after TGE. Network support all EVM compatible chain initially of ETH will provider or bridges for different scenarios. The total supply 1,000,000,000,000, additional circulating supply 10,000, 100,000,000 only for unlocking airdrops and pool for the first 6 months. So Pop airdrops token definition: the airdrop token that rewarded early Pop users before TGE. So networks minute or BSC on BNB claimed amount of Pop pairs 24.648.183 as of 4 by 23 by 2024, nearly 10% of total POPET supply. Exciting holders account 31.828 as of 4 by 23 by 2024. So Pop social media campaign, Pop Planet, Pop Social Summer. Next we have the Pop Planet Tech 10 ENC, Pop Planet introducing the social network on Web3. Or Pop Planets, the Web3 social network, the monetize your influence. So Pop Planet AI, the Web3 social network ecosystem. So Pop Web Lab, or focus on AI powered Web3 social native, or connecting millions of users and exploring their social value. So next we have application introductions and links. So Pop Planet is a Web3 social dApps dedicated to helping creators monetize their influence or providing them to the comprehensive community management tools and contract monetization or strategy. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So Pop Planet is a Web3 social dApp dedicated to helping creators monetize their influence, providing them with comprehensive community management tools and content monetization or strategies. So here iOS and Android we have Pop Web3 Labs. Pop Web3 Labs is the Web3 development laboratory under Pop initiated by the official acquiring Pop builders and developers to collaborate in building and implementing Web3 innovating applications. dApps Now, PopX, and Pops Eco have been launched or online. So Pop Web3 Labs, the link is available. So Pop Web3 Lab is the Web3 development laboratory under the Pop initiated by the official encouraging Pop builders and developments to collaborate to building and incorporating Web3 innovating applications. dApps Now, PopX, and Pop Eco have been launched online. Pop Web3 or Labs Pop Planet is the web social dApp dedicated to the helping creators monetize their influence, providing them with comprehensive community management tools and connect monetization or strategies. So TG Mini App to the moon, our latest airdrop applications that attracts low-cost traffic from Telegram, daily news registration, 20K plus. So PopX, we have PopX is the dApp bullet on the BNB chain that allows users to publish topics or opinions and earn real-time rewarded through stacking at the first fully open sources dApp in the Pop ecosystem, and developers can participate in building the PopX ecosystem or debate to earn. The link is available. So Pop Web3 is a Web3 development laboratory to undertake Pop initiated by the official announcement of builders and developments to collaboration and enabling Web3 innovative application job. New Prop X or Prop Eco have been launched ownership to the program. So our latest airdrop application has attracted low cost or traffic from Telegram, daily new registration 20K plus. PopX is a dApp bullet on BNB chain that allows users to publish topic or opinions and earn real-time rewarded through or stacking at the first fully open sources tab to the Pop ecosystem, and developers can participate in building the Pop or ecosystem debate to earn. So Pop Eco we have Pop Eco is a connected dApp based on the The NetS3 protocol, or making it easy for users to turn their content into assessed or own their data and earn direct or profits. So is used profile NFT to bullet social or graphs, offering a rich social or experience, a right to earn. So next we have the user's guide. Next, we have the user's guides for using guides in Pop AI Box Chrome or plugin in for Web3. Truth Update is now in beta testing or Pop using guide CN, Pop AI Boxing or CN. Thanks to all for your joining. So next we have contact us, Twitter, Medium, Telegram group or Linktree, email or fundraising for Planet now accepted series around investment or inquiries from crypto funds and venture capitals. So a letter from investment for Planets now accepts series around investments or inquiries from crypto funds and venture or capital. So news we have AudioSignatureNews.pro. The link is available from CiderNews.pro or Pop and One Key AMA, or for citing to the design Pop AI Box or Web3 social startup Pop Planet had completed to $4 million angel. Angle to the right, the Pop3 creators community applications had announced its completing to the $4 million around faces with the post financially value of $40 million. So Web3 pernicious design to the activity or Pop AI box or beta is now live or on key and AMA. Thanks to all for your joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. मैक्स पेल और स्पेशल AMA विद पॉप प्लैनेट, तो ये सारे प्लैनेट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हम. Pop AI Box launches or Pop and On Key AMA or recap or catch 80% of the future of truth or planet. So upgrade to payment, or users can now purchase energy to participate in DApp or interaction with just one click using or MixPay. MixPay we have or social AMA with Pop Planet, BNB chain hacking or 2024 or interested pass card. Leaders voice we have AMA. For our upcoming NFT event, welcome many participants. During the public beta period, we received a lot of support. So next we have the brand documents events. So Pop Log AI, Pop Logo, PNG Zip, or events name we have Find Pop Ambassador at Token 2049 EX or Tokenomics Token 2049 private launch on Sticking Ambulation event 20,000 Super Planet supporter or Pop and OPBNB airdrops or Genesis program beta tested or XCOM. तो ये हमने ऑफिशियल पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट्स को डिस्कस किया. सो नाउ वी डिस्कस द FAQ ऑफ पॉप डॉक्यूमेंट्स. Thanks to all for your joining. Stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. If you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. So now we discuss the terms and condition. So first we have to claim reward. Participants need to click the join button on the event page to register for the event and complete identity verification and event tasks. So second we have rewarded will be distributed to users account within a 14 working days after the event ends. Third, we have any fraudulent actions including bulk account or registrations Malicious trading, self-trading, and coordinator trading are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts within a same identity information will be considered as the same account, or sub-accounts are not be eligible to participate in this event. So for the terms and condition, we have this event, it's on not open to market makers, enterprises, and institutions. Affiliate accounts are not eligible for the referral type events but can join other events. If we have only fully filled orders and continue towards the event, particularly or filled honors to the not counted. So 6, we have in cases of discrepancies between the translated and original English version, the English version shall prevail, so get reserve all rights to the final explanation. So risk warning, cryptocurrency trading is affected by many factors such as market fluctuations and policies. The market volatility is greatly and it's difficult to predict it. Please fully understand risk involved and trade with caution. So 9th, we have users from restricted region have no access to the all parts of the services including participant in this event, game or competition. So for more information about restricted region, please refer to the user argument. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. If you have any question related to today's stream or topic, so please feel free to ask in my comment section. So now we discuss the FAQ. What are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? And the answer, we have users participating in Candy Drops are required to complete identity verification and click the join button on this event page only after successfully joining with their activity data by countage. Market makers or enterprises are institutionally are not eligible to participate in this event. So question number 2, we have when will candies be distributed after completing task? And the answer, we have candy will be distributed within 1 by 3 hours after using completing task. Please log in and check the candies obtained from Candy Drop after 3 hours. So 3rd question, we have what is the prize pool sharing and why are there no candy rewarded? And the answer, we have so prize pool sharing means that users who reach the activity thresholding or show their transactions value to recharge amount during the event can share to the total rewarded pool properties, or therefore they are a candy or rewards. So last question, we have invitation rewarded had not been issues, and the answer, we have thanks to all for the joining. Stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So invitation rewarded have not been issued, and the answer, we have only users who are registered via the exclusive referral linking generated on Candy Drop friend of event pages and complete the requirement task will be eligible for candy rewarded or will be distributed for referral made using invitation codes or link from other pages. Additionally, their referral users' participations in another referral campaign referral will not be received or rewards or stimulus. तो ये हमने कैंडी ड्रॉप के FAQs डिस्कस किए. Thanks to all for your joining. Stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So if you have any question related to today's stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. Okay, so now today our topic and we discuss Candy Drop 95th Candy Drops Expo Planet P. Trade and invite friends to share 750,000 P. Thank you so much, Walker 999, for you joining and welcome to my stream. Thanks to all So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. Thank you so much to all of you for you joining and welcome to my stream. So today our topic and we discuss Candy Drop 9/5 Candy Drops X Pop Planet P trade and invite friend to share 750,000 P. So 2025 by 10.03.10.43.02 UTC and the total views we have 12395. So Candy Drop is the Gate Candy airdrop platform where users complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrop. Thank you so much Gate users for you joining and welcome to my stream. Thanks to all. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. Thank you so much Nick for you joining. So Candy Drop is the Gate Candy airdrop platform where users complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrop. So we are excited to launch the P token and airdrops event where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share our total prize pool of 750,000 Ps with a maximum individual share of 1.500 P. Details are as follows. Thank you so much to all of you. So future trading pool 375,000 P, maximum 750 P per person. So invite friends, price pool 375,000 P, maximum 750 P per person. Or airdrops calculation formula, individual candy amounts, total candies of all users is equal price pool. So future trading task airdrops calculation formula, your future trading volumes is equal total future trading volume all users or price pool. Thank you so much Ahmed. Sorry for you joining and welcome to my stream. Thank you so much T-Rex Gate users. Thanks to all Skyfall. Thank you so much to all of you. Venkai, long time no seen. How are you dear? तो आज का हम अपना प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. आई होप आज का टॉपिक आप सबके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग रहा होगा. Thank you so much to all of you for your joining. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Thanks to all. So Candy Drop is Gate Candy airdrop platform where users complete tasks to earn candies and share token airdrop. So we are excited to launch the P token airdrops event where you can complete the following tasks to earn candies and share our total prize pool of 750,000 P with the maximum individual share for 1.500 P. Details are as follows. So first we have the future trading pool 375,000 P, maximum 750 per person. Or invite friend prize pool 375,000 P, maximum 750 per person. Or airdrops calculation formula, individual candy amount, total candies of all users of prize pool. Or future trading task airdrops calculation formula, or your future trading volume, total future trading volume all users is equal price pool. So event period October 3 2025 12.10, October 12 2025 12.00 UTC. So next we have the join now. The future trading pool rules we have users with a cumulative P, future trading volume open plus close is equal 2,000 USDT can share a price pool of 750,000 P based on the future trading volume with a cap of 750 P. The more you trade, the more rewarded you earn. So second we have invite friends or prize pool rules. So during the event of every successfully invitation of one valid friend who registered and complete 100 USDT spot trading, so you can receive one candy with a maximum of 10 candies. Thank you so much Divanti Jibu for you joining and welcome to my stream. Welcome to all. for your joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. If you have any question related to the stream or topic, feel free to ask in my comment section. So future trading pool rule, we have users with the cumulative peer future trading or volume open plus close 2000 USDT can share a price pool of 750,000 P based on their P future trading volume with a cap of 750 P. The more you trade, the more rewarded you earn. Thank you so much, great users. So invite friends, price pool rules we have. During this event of every successfully innovation of one valid friend who registers and complete is equal 100 USDT support trading. So you can receive one candy with a maximum of 10 candies. All candies holders will share a prize pool of 375,000 P with a maximum reward of 750 per person. So during this event, every successfully innovation of one valid friend who registered and complete 100 USDT spot trading, so you can receive one candy with a maximum 10 candies. All candies holders will share a prize pool of 375,000 P with maximum reward of 750 P per person. So now to qualify as a valid referral, users must register through the exclusive event like and complete 100 USDT in spot trading of PB referral who have participated in our innovations campaign will not be eligible for candy rewards at this event. So pool of 375 P with maximum rewarded of 750 per person. Not to qualify as a valid referral, users must register through to exclusive event or link and complete 100 USDT in spot trading of P referral who have participated in other innovations campaign and will not be eligible for candy rewarded for this event. So project introduction we have. Thank you so much. Crypto DZO for you joining and welcome to my stream. Thank you so much, Biba. Thanks to all for you joining, great users. So next we have the project introduction. So we at POP position overuses as users centric discovery or meets growth for Web3 farming. It is the bridges then empower blockchain users to effortlessly discover tools or align with their need while giving deployers hyperledgers or ethical litigants equations power to the behavior inside without compromising decentralizing or privacy. Thank you so much, Crypto DZO, for you joining and welcome to my stream. So we are positioned ourselves as the user-centered discovery meet growth for Web3 framing as a bridges that empower blockchain users of effortless discovery tools or align with the need while giving or developers hyper target other audience or arguments powered behavior inside without compromising or decentralizing or privacy. So our products solve fragmentations in Web3 by turning anonymous wallet into contextual index or driven protocols or for resting a subcoin or estimate where users and applications growth together. So far, we have achieved 300 plus partners in the industry and served 2 million plus users. So now Token P official website, the link is available in front of you and the X link it's also available. Thank you so much Kaya07 and welcome to my stream. Thank you so much MK1975 gate users. Divanti Jibu, new name. Thank you so much. Big love. Thanks to all for you joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So now next we have the notes. So participant must click the join now button on this event page. After successfully joining the event, they must complete the event task and identify verification to received or rewarded. So rewarded will be distributed to user's account within a 14 working days after the end of this event. Thank you so much, Game Over, Gate users or Beambots for your joining. Thank you so much, Gate user, and welcome to my stream. So participant must click to join now button on the event page after successfully joining the event. They must complete the event task and identity verification to receive rewarded. So rewards will be distributed to user's account within 14 working days after the end of this event. So it is the strictly prohibited to register multiple small accounts or engage in wash trading, self-buying and self-selling or any other cheating behavior. Multiple accounts of the same verified users will be considered the same account, sub-account and not allowed to participate in activities. Thank you so much, Gate user or Kaya07 for your joining and welcome to my stream. Thanks to all. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So it is strictly prohibited to register multiple smart accounts, engage in malicious wash trading or self-buying and self-selling on any other cheating behavior. Multiple accounts on the same verified users will be considered as the same account, sub-account and not allowed to participate in activities. So market makers, enterprises and institutions are not allowing to participate in this event. Agent accounts cannot participate in friend or invasions type activities while others activities are unrestricted. So in case of any discrepancy between the translated version and original English version, the English version shall prevail. Thank you so much, Satoshi or Sam Triple Eight, for your joining and welcome to my stream. Thank you so much, Gate users. In case of any difference between the translated version and original version, the English version shall prevail. So Gate has the final interruptions rights for this event. So users in the restricted areas cannot access all of parts the services including participating in this event, game or competition. For more information so about restricted areas, please read user argument. Thanks to all. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. So risk warning, users must pay to the attention to the fact that virtual currency trading is affected by various factors such as market and policies. The market is high volatility and the price fluctuations are difficult to predict. Please be sure to pay attention to market risk and trade or courteously. Thank you so much, Ahmed, for your joining or Gate user. Satoshi, thank you so much, Gate user, and welcome to my stream. Thanks to all. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. So Gate has the final information rights of this event. Users in the restricted areas cannot access all of the part of services, including participant in this event game of composition. For more information about the restricted areas, please read the user argument. Thank you so much, Dehrom. Subah al Khair. Thank you so much. Good morning, dear. How are you? And welcome to my stream. Good to see you here with me. Crypto Filler. Thank you so much, Crypto Filler, for your joining and welcome to my stream. So risk warning, Users must pay attention to the fact to the virtual currency trading is affected by various factors such as the market as policies. The market is high volatility and the price of elections as difficult to predict. Please be sure to be the attention to market risk and trade or courteously. Thank you so much, Gate users, and welcome to my stream, DeepSeek. Thanks to all for your joining and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Okay, thank you so much, Divanti Jibu, and welcome to my stream. Thanks to all. So now next we have Gate Team October 3, 2025. Gateway to crypto, trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on Gate. So take action now. Sign up and claim up to $10,000 in welcome reward. Invite friend and earn a 40% commission. So stay connected. Visit Gate official website or download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses, or join our Telegram community to discuss trending topic. Engage with our global community for the latest insight or transparency and security. Check our 100% proof or reserve. Thank you so much, Gate users. Dehroom Divanti Jibu. Thanks to all for you joining DeepSeek and appreciation. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow. Thanks to all. Thank you so much once again to all of you and welcome to my stream. So stay connected with me. Don't forget to like and follow my account. Okay, so today our topic and we discuss Candy Drop, 95th Candy Drop, X-Pop, Planet P, trade and invite friend to share 750,000 P. तो ये था आज का हमारा टॉपिक जो कि हमने डिस्कस किया कैंडी ड्रॉप 95 कैंडी ड्रॉप एक्स पॉप प्लेनेट पी ट्रेड एंड इनवाइट फ्रेंड टू शेयर 750,000 पी। इसके बाद हमने इसके ऑफिशियल पेज को डिस्कस किया कैंडी ड्रॉप पी। देन वी डिस्कस द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट। थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग। तो हमने ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट भी डिस्कस की और लास्ट में डिस्कस द पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट्स। थैंक्स टू ऑल फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग एंड अप्रिसिएशन। आई होप आज का टॉपिक आप सबके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग रहा होगा। क्रिप्टो फिलर माई डिलाइट। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो फिलर फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग एंड वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच ड्रैगन फ्लाई। तो ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक जो कि हमने डिस्कस किया। आई होप आज का टॉपिक आप सबके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग रहा होगा। थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग। ओके, तो ड्रैगन फ्लाई ने भी हमें कमेंट किया है, हेलो हेलो डियर, हाउ आर यू एंड वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। थैंक्स टू ऑल फॉर योर ज्वाइनिंग एंड अप्रिसिएशन। सो स्टे कनेक्टेड विद मी, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड फॉलो। तो ये था आज का हमारा टॉपिक जो कि हमने डिस्कस किया। आई होप आज का टॉपिक आप सबके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग रहा होगा। अगर अभी तक आपने मुझे फॉलो नहीं किया तो मुझे जल्दी से फॉलो कर लें ताकि हम इसी तरह से इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक डिस्कस कर सकें। ओके, सो नाउ इट्स टाइम टू रैप अप। सो गाइस, दैट वाज माय टॉपिक फॉर टुडे। आई होप you all enjoying it. Thank you so much for joining my live. A special thanks to my new followers and all my friends. So I will meet you again tomorrow with a new interesting topic. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.